The next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our brand. And as I said, everything is explained very easily from Teachable. Make your school your own by picking design fonts and color themes to reflect your brand. So let's click here. And then you're going to see that they're asking you to upload your logo, your thumbnail, and your favicon. And you will be able to remove Teachable branding if you upgrade to the professional or business plan. So if you're using a basic plan, there will still be a Teachable branding, and you need to choose if that is okay for you or not. Here you can select the font family, and I think Teachable did a great job because they are only giving you fonts that are readable. They already took fonts out that would be hard to read. So by clicking on them, on the right side, they change, and that way you can see if you like the style or not. And then remember to click save. Down here you have a color palette. It's also explained very well because you have presets. Of course, you could just choose one and then click save. Or down here you can customize it. The way it works is that in all of them you can see that there's always one color that's more dominant. Apart from this one, maybe that's eye-catching. And the way it works is if you look at the page, let's say they have a lot of blue, a lot of, blue, green images. And then they have the buttons, the call to actions where it says sign up or, yes, I need this course. Then you want your ideal customer to see the button. So that's why the button color is like here. This is a good example. It's a very bright color. So the way you would choose it, you can click on the color, and then with the cursor you can play around. Here you can go to the right and really choose a color, and then also with the cursor go more up or down. If you already know the color that you want, just add the code here. And if you're still looking for a nice color, there's also a trick. So if you look here on the right hand side, you see I have some symbols. They are called Chrome extensions. This one here, let us click, it's called Color Pick Eyedropper. And then I can copy this code. But let me give you a better example. Let's go to the search engine and add pink and go to images. Let's activate the color dropper, and then let's say we want this one. You can see by just scrolling over it, the color eyedropper is activated. I would just need to drop, click, copy, go back, and then paste the code in here, and then I can save the colors. Because I want this color to be the most visible, I'm leaving the body text and the headings the way they are. You can see we chose a title, and now we still need to upload our logo, our thumbnail, and our favicon. And they're giving us the recommended format size. In order to create these graphics, you could go to Canva, which is a free graphic design tool, but you could use any other graphic design tool of your choice. But I'm going to show you now in a very short video, or this is going to be part of this video, how you can use Canva. So let's open a new window, canva.com. And this is how Canva looks like. You can sign up for free. So you can get Canva free. For anyone wanting to design anything on your own or with others, no design experience required, and it's free forever. Or of course, if you really like it and you notice that you're using it for a lot, you can also sign up for the pro version. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to log in, and then I'm going to show you how I would suggest you to use this free design tool to design your logo, your thumbnail, and your favicon. Okay, as you can see, I'm now logged in to Canva. I have the pro version, but for what I'm going to show you, the free plan is enough. So just click on create a design. And if you don't know Canva yet, here you'll see different things you can design. You can design a Facebook post, presentation, Instagram story, Pinterest pin, like everything you can think of. A card is available. But what we need is we want the custom size. We don't want any pre-made design that's showing up here, but we want to add a custom size, because if you click here, remember it's told us recommended format. So I want 250 times 60, and then I'm clicking on create new design. Then what I see is a white canvas. What I could do is I could work with templates and just scroll through and choose one that I really like. But I think they are too noisy, because what we want now for Teachable should be very clear and to the point. So what we're going to do here is choose a background color. This here is only part of the Pro plan. That's why it has a crown. So that's where all my colors that are part of my brand are already saved. But in the free plan, you would just add the color of your choice. So for example, pink, and then you see all the different colors here. So let's go with this, for example, then click on text. Here it's already showing us different headings. So I would just add the name of my brand or the name of my school, 𝐸𝐴𝐻, decrease it or increase it on this side. Everything is explained very easily. And then once you are satisfied, you would just click share and make sure it's a PNG, not this, no PDF, no video. So PNG, and then you click download. And of course, you would do the same process. Of course, for the favicon and the thumbnail, you would choose a different format, but do the same steps. So I hope this helped. And now we're going to go back. We're back here and we're going to upload some images that I already created. So we're going to my device, and here we need the logo. So we're going to open. Here we need the thumbnail. Make sure to give them the right title so that all the images are easy to find. And then favicon. All of the images that you see here were created in Canva. And then check if everything is good and just click save. Okay, now we have created our branding. Let's go back. And the next step is to set up our landing page. So see you in the next lecture.